All right, Dorothy, we're back with you, dear darling Rocky. So anyway, for everybody at home, I do not have my soundbox collar on today, but I'm doing the same thing, and I will tell you, I had to bump this dog on the continuous because he took off running after these other dogs, and I couldn't stop him. So I've started adding a little bit of the nick, but I cannot stress enough, you guys, it needs to come across as impersonal. I'm going to do it when the dog is, taking off to the end of the leash. I'm going to augment the pull of the leash because remember, I've got my leash hooked to the electronic collar. I'm going to augment that with the nick. So again, if the dog is making any association with anything, it's making it with the leash because the pressure is, you can see I've got my box opposing where the leash is hooked. So, oh, this must be the new puppy toys that we ordered. All right, we'll just proceed on. All right, so I'm going to take off walking. I'm either doing my pager or my nick. I've only got my nick set on 30 right now, but I'm going to be ready. See, I turned him right there with just the pager. I'm still not going to try to get the dog to heel, you guys. That's not what you want to do. Thanks a lot. With anything other than the pressure of the leash. I'm not doing it in conjunction with a verbal command. I want to seem very deliberate with my actions. I'm watching the dog, but I'm not, looking at it per se. I'm watching it out of the corner of my eye. Walking in a very deliberate manner. I'm not kind of just going like I'm going somewhere. And you see these other ones following along too. I wasn't doing a good job of controlling my leash right there. That's how it got under his leg. See, up to the point now, and this is only his second day, that I can already turn the dog with the pager. So, Dorothy, we're well on the way to teaching him to lead like a party pony, because that's our goal with him.